Hey guys, Jason Graber here. Hey, I wanted to shoot this quick video for you and show you, first of all, how to log into your app and a lot of the cool things that your app can do. So first of all, go to the Applifi website, so www.applifi.net, and you'll see right up here in the top there'll be a login tab. You'll click login. You'll enter your email, the one that we used to create your app, and your password that you chose for your app account, and you'll click login, and it'll take you to your dashboard. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You're going to be able to send messages. So these are some of the tabs that you're going to really be using on a day-to-day basis. So you can click on the messages tab, and this is where you'll be able to create messages for your app. So right here, you'll type in the message. Hi, check out some of our newly listed homes. Okay, and then you can check who you want it to go to, Apple or Android app. You can connect it to Twitter and to Facebook if you wanted to. And so then you can click location. This right here will show you, you can choose all the users, so the message will go to everybody that's got your app downloaded, or you can target a specific area. So you can see right here that I've actually got about a 50-mile radius of where the app is downloaded right here in Sarasota. And so you can type in an address here, and you can do a radius. It's actually in kilometers, but that's how that works. So, or you can just click everybody, and the app goes, and the message goes to everybody. And the content tab, this is where you will direct the person to go to this place once they click on the notification once it comes to their phone. So you can link it to a website URL, or you can link it to an app tab, which is a page within the app, or you can choose from a template. And these templates are really cool. There's a couple different templates over here on the side. Just say that you do like the hair salon one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to edit it. This actually opens up here, and you'll be able to add text, change the picture. You can do all kinds of stuff here, and it's a really neat way to send notifications or coupons or alerts. You can change the colors here. Different back outlines and all that good stuff. So that's a really neat way that you can send notifications to people. You can also link to an app tab, and right here's all the tabs that are in your app. So you can click one, say this one is about searching for homes, so I could click search homes, and then I would actually click, that's the next tab inside this tab, and that's where the message would take the person when they click on it. So now that we've got our content done, we go to publish, and you can actually click send now, which it'll send the message right now, or you can click a date when you want it to publish. So it's Thursday right now, I can click Friday, and what time, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and push done. And the time you can set to it would be Eastern time, and then you publish the message, and that's as good as sent. So normally I send the message now. I usually don't use the scheduling, but you can. And that's how you send a message. And the analytics tab, this will show you how many people have downloaded your app and give you statistics, so that you can check how many people have downloaded it for Apple, how many people have downloaded it for Android, and then how many people access your HTML5 mobile website, and gives you a nice little graph here for you to check out. So user analytics, you can compare iPhone versus Android versus HTML, and it will give you the analytics code. So it's taking a little bit to load here. Okay, so here's the graph. These are yeah, you can go through and see the statistics of your app if that interests you at all. And then the QR codes. This is where you'll actually get it's a nice little PDF is what it is when you download it. But what you can do is you can just screen capture, and you can capture these 3 QR codes. And what these are is this QR code right here will go straight to Android, and if you're an Android user, then you scan this to download the app. If you're an Apple user, you scan this. And what's really neat about this is if you use this QR code on all of your marketing materials, this is an HTML5 mobile website. And what's neat is if you click this checkbox right here it says, do you want to enable redirection to native application when a visitor comes to visit from iPhone or Android to the HTML5 app? If you want the redirection, just click the checkbox and your choice will be saved immediately. So if you click this checkbox, what happens is when a person scans this QR code, whether they're Apple or Android, it will take them to the correct place to download the app. So I recommend, instead of having 2 QR codes on your marketing materials, just have this one, and this one will automatically determine whether they're Apple or Android and take them to the correct place, so they're able to download the right app. And if you just hit the download button right here, it'll download this PDF right here, so you can put it to your computer, and you can actually just take pictures of these QR codes so that you have them. You actually get them in a file when we publish your app, but if you lose those, you can come back to these and take pictures of them so you have them. And that's pretty much it. If you decide that you want to check out the content of your app and maybe move a few things around or add some things, I'll run through that really quick. I know the video is going on 7.5 minutes, but I want to cover this really quick. The functionality tab, this just lists all the tabs inside your app. So these are all the pages that are in this app right now. So then you can move to the content, and so here are all your pages inside the app, and then when you click on it, each page, it gives you the things that are inside it, and you can add new websites to different tabs. It is a little bit of a learning curve. There's some things in here that's a little complicated, but if you mess around long enough, you'll figure it out on how to do it. The appearance tab is where all the graphics are stored. So your icons, your icon colors, your icon fonts, your headers, your background graphics. This is where they're stored. So you'd be able to check that stuff out. If you wanted a new graphic, you would just have to get with me and we can create a new graphic for you. If you like change your logo, or if you decide to do something different with the layout of your app. But this is where they're stored right here. And then the app layout just lets you, it lets you arrange these tabs in order. And so you can click the preview button, and then it's actually give you a live preview of the app. So you'll be able to see, this is what the HTML5 mobile website looks like. This is what the actual app looks like when somebody downloads it on their phone. So this is a live version of your app where you can test it and see how it looks on a phone. And then you're good to go. The publish feature will actually probably be disabled because it will be just on my end, so I'll be able to publish it, but that's not something that you need to worry about. And that pretty much wraps everything up. I mean, that is your back office. These are all the things that you have access to. So I encourage you to send messages to your people and use those QR codes in your marketing materials to get as many downloads as you can. So with that being said, thanks again for choosing Applifi, that we can build apps for you, and we'll talk to you soon.